Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. I got this little pan thing for trying to redo these wheels, and the wheel doesn't fit in there. So I got to take that back, get the next bigger thing, go from there. Check out Red Baron smoking like a train. Going to change the valve stem seals and hopefully cure this Red Baron smoking issue. Kick off the tinker morning replacing the inner tie rod in on the passenger side here on Lil'Red. I think that's the only thing it really needs to have done so that it can get in alignment. So let me go ahead and break this lug nuts loose, jack it up, put a jack stand under it, break the tie rod loose, the outer one, unscrew the outer one from the inner one, and then unscrew the inner one from the rack. So let me get started and make sure I got my pipe wrench before I do anything else. The tire off and see how that thing moves. It ain't that bad, but it does move. So I'm gonna hold this, break this nut loose, twist that off, and then I'm gonna turn this all the way out of here, and then I'm gonna get the inner tie rod in out. Nut pop right loose. Shouldn't have been too tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a mark on here and crank that out. I think that should be a 13. Get this out of the way and then get in there, take the boot off, get in there, change that inner tie rod in. I know I changed that boot, oh man, a year ago. Not sure if I changed the tie rod in too, maybe just a boot. 9 turns and it came out. So now I need to go ahead and, yep, I can feel an in and out play on that. I'm gonna go ahead and take this nut off, then take the boot off, and then take the tie rod in off. Here it is, folks, inner tie rod in. Shouldn't be that loose. Shouldn't be able to shake it like that. Well, I'm glad we have lifetime replacement on that part. This is like the 3rd time I've been replacing that one. Hope I got the right one. What does it say here? Steering tie rod in. TRW. Uh-oh. Got the right one. TRW. This time I got the TRW brand, which should be OEM instead of the Melee. So let me get this on and get this to the alignment shop. Showing some oil in the boot there. That's a sign that the steering rack is leaking. Now it's not leaking enough that it just ran out of there, but it's leaking enough for me to put some power steering stop leak in there. Try to save this rack. So that's what I'm gonna do after I get this back together. And as you can see, CV boots are torn. And I do have CV boot kits here, so I'm gonna do that. The inner boots are good, the outer boots are torn. That turned in 9.5 times. Now I'm going to put the wheel on, see if I can get it aligned today. All done, including the zip tie on the boot down there. While down there, I noticed that this turbo hose is torn or tearing. So I'm going to replace that real quick. I got to spare one of those. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.